Your professor may use folders or learning modules to organize files and tools. You will access a folder or learning module by clicking on a link on the course menu. The link could be labeled as course content. In this course, folders and learning modules are placed in the course content page and are used to organize weekly assignments and class materials such as lecture notes and learning objectives. Click on the course content link. You see a list of weekly folders. Click on a week folder. You see a few items. Click on a chapter folder. You see a lecture note and a learning objectives page link. The chapter note is in Microsoft PowerPoint format. You need PowerPoint or PowerPoint Viewer to view the file. However, if you do not have Microsoft PowerPoint or PowerPoint Viewer, you will use Blackboard iLive feature to view the file in an alternative format. Click on the letter A icon and select HTML. You will view the file as HTML format. And click on Download. The file is then downloaded to your computer. Click on Show in Folder. You see the file location is in the Download folder. Double-click on the file to open it up. Now you're seeing the PowerPoint file in HTML format. The options in the alternative format include tagged PDF. Using this format requires you to download Adobe Acrobat Reader. You can go to get.adobe.com/reader to download a free Adobe Acrobat Reader and install it to your computer. If you already have Adobe Acrobat Reader installed on your computer, you will choose Tagged PDF and view the file in a PDF format. In the same way, if you would like to view a file that is in Microsoft Word format, but you do not have Microsoft Word on your computer, you can choose the A-letter icon and choose the HTML format and view the file in the HTML format. Now you may click on various items and explore information in the course.